Our Zünd G3 digital router and cutter plays an essential role in our print production process. Anytime a print project needs to be cut, perforated, engraved, routed, kiss cut, or creased, we look to our Zünd. It can truly do it all. This is thanks to its wide range of flexible and adaptable high-performance modules, which each serve a different purpose. What's more, these ultra-accurate attachments are set up via the fully automatic initialization system, eliminating the need for any manual adjustment. That means substrates are modified quickly and precisely every time. The Zünd cutter can be used on a huge variety of substrates up to 4.3 inches thick and infinitely long thanks to our roller unit. This includes paper, cardboard, vinyl, textiles, plastics, wood, aluminum, and even glass, making this machine perfect for cutting anything from large signage and graphics to decals, packaging, and more. Trust our cutting-edge equipment for your next print project and contact Omega today.